Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make, so I'm going to spin the wheel first. Happy and angry. Okay, let's get started. Master Pro. Nah. Movies. No. Okay. Let's do mirror. My phone is about to die, guys. I gotta charge it. Go to I like motion. Stretch axis. Then clerical ripple. Frequency. And strife. I don't know if it's strife or strife. Is 140. Then radius. Now go to channel. Nope. Man. Okay, I didn't remember that. I already used clearer sound effects because I'm not going to show you that. Now choose wave warp. Wave warp. Okay, there it is. Phase. Phase. Strife. Sound will be off. I choose media because I can't do audio. Let me do the LA motion. Angry X. That will be extracted by audio. Export it. Man, it's gotta be the right thing. Okay, the right thing is here. So here's our result. To make happy and angry. I also saved it because Also, this is going to be the gift for Pro Mega Logo Editor. Bye bye, guys.